Hello students, today's topic is renewable energy resources. It's an introductory part of renewable energy. So let us discuss about renewable energy first. What is renewable energy? It is the energy resources which can be used to produce again and again. Mean the resources, the energy we are getting, it can be used again and again to produce it, right? So it is known as renewable energy resources. How we are getting the renewable energy? We are getting it from solar, wind, hydro, bioenergy, and geothermal. So there are many different forms of renewable energy: solar energy, wind energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy, biomass or biogas energy. These all are the different forms. So these are the diagrammatic representation of various energy of renewable resources. As you can see, the solar energy first, then in this you can see the wind energy. This is the ocean energy, geothermal energy, and biomass and biogas energy. Okay, so these are all the type. What is solar energy now? The first part of renewable energy type. So it is the energy which we receive from the earth, from the sun, primarily as the visible light or other forms of electromagnetic radiation. जो हमें सन से एनर्जी मिल रही है, सूरज से एनर्जी मिल रही है और उसको हम वेरियस फॉर्म में यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वो क्या है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, हम सोलर एनर्जी बोलते हैं. और सोलर एनर्जी को हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. कैसे? बाय यूजिंग सोलर प्लेट्स. For example, solar cooker, solar heater, and solar cell. You can see here the diagram of solar cooker and solar heater and solar cell here. So what are the advantages of solar energy? There are various number of advantages, but the major advantage is it doesn't produce CO2. Right now it's very harmful, as you know that CO2 is very harmful. So it's not producing any CO2 gas, and it does not affect our environment indirectly. If it's not producing CO2, it does not affect our environment. So it is advantage of solar energy. We can use it freely, but the disadvantage is that if it is not constant. It depends upon the weather condition. If there is a rainy condition, or there will no sunlight, if sun is not in proper duration, so it will not get the proper benefit. We will not get the proper benefit if we have solar heater or solar cell. If we are dependent on solar light, right? And time and location, it's the only disadvantage or drawback of solar energy. Otherwise it is very advantageable. The other type of renewable energy is the wind energy. What is wind energy? Wind energy is good, renewable, clean, free source of energy for power production. It reduces dependence on fossil fuel, including imported oils, right? So the energy which we are producing with the wind power, windmills, we are using wind turbines. We are using, you can see in this diagram that wind turbines are there. They rotate. It's like they rotate, and we produce, by the various processes, produces the energy, electrical energy. So what are the advantages here? It's written: reduce emission of greenhouse gas and other pollutant. It reduce the dependence on fossil fuel, including imported oils. And one major concern is the noise be improved. Noise be improve होती है. So that's all in the video today. Thank you so much.